Hi guys, here's the code stop. You can get to see the X gauges again. The display is a lot bigger on them than the regular original AMs, which is kind of hard to read. But we're gonna crank it up. We gotta go to Costco to get some food. You can see there you go. It's gotta heat up, and you see it's a lot bigger than your standard gauges. Alright, there you go. We're gonna go to Costco. We're gonna wash the car, and then possibly go ahead and install these taillights. These taillights is an easy install. But let me hit the Costco. Let's go and pick up some groceries and some supplies. Just want to say, we got those supplies that you guys know what you can't get of. I got them in bulk. This is crazy. A whole 7 pallets full of that stuff. Gone in less than 5 minutes. Like zombies, seriously. Like zombies to human flesh. Wow, crazy. And light note, everything looks good. Warming up, just going. Everything's going good. Let's get this car washed. I know it's about to rain, but this car hasn't been washed in like 3 weeks. It's crazy, so I need to get this dirt off of it at least. And then of course there's these next. Okay, as you can see now the car is washed. So I'm talking about those taillights. Let me see it. Okay, now you can see the car's washed. There you go. That's a month. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta see it right there. The clear coat's tore off. But we're gonna take care of that with the new taillights. Oh, nice. That's shiny again. There we go. Headlights all cleaned up. We need to swap out those headlights too. And we need to wash the V. Supposed to rain tomorrow, but again, this thing's been dirty for a minute. Now you can really see the problem. These are right there. The vortex center at the top. But alright, let's go ahead and swap cars. I'll probably go ahead and swap out these taillights. And we can see a clean look. Let's do that. Let's swap out the taillights. And there's probably the keys right there. And let's get it. Finally, jeez, you guys know what's up. I'm so dumb. But 2.5 months, finally got 30 rows. Alright, let's get on with the dyno so I can show you because I said I'll show you what the numbers are this time. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and install this. Got the presses back. We're gonna go ahead and install the adapter because I guess I put the bolts on too tight. I put on those original taillights years ago. So again, I'm not gonna give you a whole tutorial on how to do this. I have a video you can watch on how to install the taillights. Pretty self-explanatory. Once I get one off, I can show you the damage to the taillights. It's not really damage, it's just the clear coat peeled off. Again, that was 3 years, but now with this new formula that he has, it shouldn't peel. So I'm gonna swap these taillights off. I'm gonna give you a very, very, very quick and brief tutorial on how to do it. I can get this camera light on. Hold on a second. Save me tripping sometimes. Alright. And so basically, you got right there. You're gonna put the pop rivet out right there. That's all you should need. You can take the one out right there if you want. It's just a pop rivet. Pull this back. I'm gonna try to do my best for the camera. You see, you got those 4 bolts right here. I'm gonna take those 4 bolts out, and then the taillight would slide out. Now, if you're doing this for the first time, you're gonna take all these bolts out, and you actually have one more bolt right here. So you're gonna have to take off part of the rear bumper. Part of the rear bumper in order to get that one bolt out. I left that bolt out if you watch my video, because once you take this off, there's no point in that bolt at all. These bolts back here will secure it. But again, if you're doing it for the first time, pop the lights out, take these 4 out, and you do have one that's down here. So I'm just gonna go and swap this out right quick, show you the new and the old ones so you can see the differences as far as what I'm talking about. Again, if you want an in-depth tutorial how to do it for the first time, watch my original video while I go over it. So let's go ahead and do this, pop this out. And again, these bolts right here are a 8mm bolt if you need to know. They are 8s. Alright, here you go. One taillight's out right here, as you can see. Completely out. again, changing taillights is simple, guys. There's nothing difficult about it. And right there, you can see it. That's that bolt right there that I'm referring to. You have to take it out if you're doing it for the first time. But again, just watch my video when I swap these out for the first time, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to take this side off. I'll pull out the new ones. We'll compare. You can see clear coat damage on these old ones versus the brand new ones. So swap out the other one. I'll pull out the other one. Shouldn't need it, but just so you guys can see it, here's the other side. You're going to pop out all of these lights as well as right here. To do my best right there, you got to pop that out because there's a screw underneath there. And then you just take the bolts out. Just go and take this apart. Alright, here's one. Open it up. And again, it's going to look identical to that one, so this could be a lot cleaner version. There's the old one right there. Old one right there, and there's a new one. It could just cut open for you guys. But again, now we got some light on it, some good light on it. You can see right there the clear coat down, so you see it's kind of glossy right there, and it's not. It took 3 years for it to do that. Now from a distance, when you stand back, like from here, you can't even see it. You have to really know it's there. So these taillights will be for sale. Now, he states he can't fix them. I don't know. But I mean, again, if you just need some taillights or you're just looking for the look and not trying to pay out some money, I will be selling these taillights as is. But again, let's open up this new one so you can check out the new one. I want you to see this, guys. He packaged it really well. It's wrapped up and it's extremely bubble wrapped. And remember, when you're cutting this, obviously you want to cut from the underside so you don't actually cut through and damage the black film paint on it. So yeah, I just want to show you guys the packaging. Pretty impressive. Alright, let's get this open. And there we go, guys. There's the old one right here. You can see the damage right there. And there's the brand new one. The brand new black material. They should be a lifetime warranty. Not should be, excuse me. It is a lifetime damages or anything like that. You can hit him up and he will swap it out and get you a brand new one. And again, these are the old original ones I have, but these lasted for 3 years before they started chipping. Keep in mind, the car was being built for like 2 years outside, so I think that's pretty good for it to hold up like this. But that's the brand new one, identical like that style. Again, I don't want to cover up the whole thing. So again, these taillights aren't inexpensive. I will post his information as you saw at the beginning of the video. Hit him up. He does make taillights and headlights for a lot of vehicles. So let's go ahead and install these new taillights and check out the new one. There you guys go, new taillight installed. Perfect, as you can see. And again, I didn't put the, as you can see, you don't need all the screws to hold it, but just make sure you over tighten it, that way it's flush. Let's go ahead and throw on the other side, plug the lights back in, and of course you will want to test the lights, make sure all your lights work, and that'll be that. It's a simple install, it's really not hard. Yeah, make sure you cut away from yourself as well. People cut away from yourself. But again, I'm doing it by myself. Doing most installs for myself. So you gotta do what you gotta do. And so you guys can see, here's the other new taillight, perfect. And then there's the other one. This one wasn't as bad, but you can still see right there where it chipped. Again, these will be for sale. I'll sell these dirt cheap. Again, if you're just trying to get blacked out lights, I'll get it done, but this is a new formula. So again, we're going to swap these out. I just wanted to show you guys the difference. I also wanted to show you guys something else that's pretty cool. He plugs other holes as well, so water can't get in it. So that's attention to detail. So when they're shipping it, it's wrapped up and everything's plugged, which is good. Let's go ahead and swap this out. And there you have it, bam, brand new taillights installed. I wired that side as you saw. Looks really good, a lot better now that we got these in. Go ahead and put these wires in, test these lights, make sure the lights work. Again, they should work. I didn't mess with any wiring at all. Very simple install, guys. Really, maybe a 10-minute job. The first time you take it out, it may take you about 30 minutes because you gotta get the extra bolt. But after that, just leave that bolt down the bottom. As you can see, they are flush, so you don't require all those, and you'll be good to go. So let me go ahead and put this wire in, test everything out, I'll button everything up, and this install will be complete. Look, a meth tank. Again, guys, always test your lights. This bulb wasn't put in there properly, so it wasn't coming on. So test your lights before you do anything. hit the brakes, etc. Reverse, make sure the lights come on. You'll be good to go. So that's going to conclude this install. It's not hard, nothing difficult about it. Again, guys, don't forget to click like and subscribe. If you like this kind of content, let me know. Again, you know, I had a lot of installs already planned and already, as you can see, already doing you know what's going on. So other than that, man, we got more stuff to install, more things to do. We still got to do, as you saw, the shift boot and everything else. So we still got to knock that out. But I'm so happy these taillights are in. Now it's getting, again, we're getting that cleaner look. These old taillights will be for sale. I'll sell them cheap. If anybody's interested, just hit me up with a message, a comment down below, and again, I'll sell it to you pretty freaking cheap because I already got, damn, what, 6 sets of taillights. Let me know, guys. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you guys next video. Peace.